Okay, good morning everyone. It's Sunday today actually, and I thought I would just include this lunch in my preschool pack lunches because today we're going for a family day out, so I packed the boys each a picnic lunch. I am using different containers, you'll see. I really like these ones. We use these when we just go out for like a family day out. So in this day out pack lunch, Jack is taking a cheese and cucumber sandwich on one of these little Warburton thins. I'm gonna see how he does with this. An apple juice and then some cut up apple and some sugar snap peas along with a plain bag of crisps. And then Harry, similar, just a ham sandwich, apple juice, same snacks, apple and sugar snap peas, and then a plain bag of crisps too. And that's everything they're taking today for their day out. Okay, good morning. Today is Tuesday. Just to let you guys know, Jack did not go to preschool yesterday on Monday. That's why we had no preschool pack lunch for you. So today he's taking another one of these multivitamin juices. He really likes these. And then it's a bit of I'm looking at it now, it's a little bit of a junk food lunch actually, a bit of a treat. So he's got these little chicken nuggets that are pre-cooked. He loves these. Some cucumber slices, some raspberries. And these are these great new tortilla chips I found. Predominantly I found them for myself. They're gluten-free, but they're dairy and they're wheat-free. And they taste really good. So those are for him, and then a little cake slice. And that's everything Jack's taking today on Tuesday for preschool pack lunch. Okay, let's see how Jack did. So he's had his juice. Feels pretty empty to me. And right. Didn't have any of his raspberries, but ate everything else. That's good. He must have been hungry. He ate everything. Very pleased with that outcome. Okay, good morning everyone. It's Thursday. We've got another preschool pack lunch today. Jack's taking an orange juice today. He asked for an orange juice, as well as some strawberries cut up, some cucumbers, 2 of these little fruit crackers, some of these chicken nuggets, these are the pre-cooked ones that he really likes, and a pack of sultanas. That's everything Jack's taking today for preschool pack lunch on Thursday.